What's up everybody? 3-Minute Friday. Short videos like this, maximum information in the shortest amount of time. Let's get this done. Today we talk about which glue do we use for building arrows. We use here two options. Mostly we have carbon arrows, and one thing directly first, the knock of a carbon arrow is simply sticked in. Don't use glue for it. On the other side you have this insert. This you need to glue. We always put first a tip on it because then it's easier to hold. What we use here is simply some super glue. Apply a few lines of super glue, more likely at the beginning of the insert, not the end, like this. You can clean it before with your brush tool. And then put it in, let it set. Now you see already I can unscrew the tip in, so it's already set, like this, tight. This insert doesn't go anywhere anymore. So, carbon arrows, wood shafts. There you have this nice knock here. And for this, we use Yoo-hoo. You put here a bit on the tip. So you put here a little bit around on the tip. And then you simply press your knock tight and straight on it. So if you have some excess, simply wipe it off, let it set, done. For the tip, we use araldite or some two-part epoxy, two components. Quite simple. You use some surface. You put one drop of this in. Always mix it 1:1. The other part, the same amount. Don't put it on it. Put it beside it, and you simply mix these two until they're really nice and solid mixed. So, kind of. Then I take the tip of the arrow shaft. Simply put there a nice sausage around, and then you put the tip, you twist the shaft a little that the glue is everywhere. You put it back, and when you have it, you simply press it against a hard surface. Make sure that the tip is proper in. If you have some excess, take a cloth, wipe it off directly, then you don't have problems later. And of course you can put it on a flat surface and spin the arrow now and see if the arrow is spinning straight or not, so that the tip is straight on it. And for the fletchings, you can use Yoo-hoo, but it takes, especially here in Malta with the humidity, ages. So you apply here glue, and then you put your feather on your chick and then put it on. What we use here is the double-sided tape from Preca, which speeds up everything. It works quite well, holds the arrows nice in place, and if you have to replace arrows, it's easier because this tape comes off again. See? Then you simply apply here. I should put my glasses on again, but I'm a bit, I'm like this. See, you apply a line of this double-sided tape, cut it off. Then the only fiddly part is, I always like with my nail press the tape proper on the arrow, and then the fiddly part is simply getting the protection thingy off here. So, like so. Put it there, align everything, and you simply put this on. Suck, press it on, and you're good to go. See, double-sided tape works easy peasy. We always press it then once again that it's really tight and it doesn't go anywhere. When the fletching is ruined, as said, it's easy to put this off again. That's why we like it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.